Adam Smith coined the term of invisible hand of the market, and it is through this that millions of decisions are made in a free market economy without the government. Hi guys, this is Zilshit, economics and business studies tutor, and you're watching day 2 of Crash Course of Economics. Economic system is a method through which resources, goods and services are organized, allocated and distributed. There are two types of economic system. One is free market economic system and the other is planned economic system. In a free market economic system, there's no government telling the producer make this, make that. It is through the way of price mechanism that resources are allocated. But how does it work? My local grocery store has been meeting our demand for the last 15 years. Has our consumption pattern changed over the last 15 years? Of course. So how does a grocery store adapt? It's simple. What they do is they understand what are people demanding and what is the price that they're okay to pay for it, and accordingly curate their set of goods and services that they like to distribute. And they try to set a price for these goods and services which they feel is the equilibrium price. What's the equilibrium price? It's the price where the demand is equals to supply. If the price is set above the equilibrium, it's going to lead to a surplus. However, if it's below the equilibrium, it'll lead to a shortage. If you like this, follow me, because in day 3 we covered how consumers don't act rationally at all times.